I'm Darren Huff, and this is Tech Tuesday with another technical tip. Let's go check it out.
Before you put the final heat shrink on, I would do a resistance test because you should be getting ohm readings across the element to element within spec or that 5%. You may be off just a little bit because now you've done some heating of the cable and that may distort the readings just a little bit, but it should be within the margin of error. And then, of course, our element to ground test should still be OL. If you're getting resistance across element to ground, that means somewhere along the line here, we're touching the ground. When you see a resistance going to ground, that's an indication there is a path because now there's resistance in that path. OL simply means I can't measure, so there must not be any path of electricity to travel. Then you would want to go ahead and then button this up. This would all shrink down. Probably got to do some modification in the floor, just like we have to do with our cold lead splice to put that back into the floor so you don't have a hump in your floor.
That's it for this week. Thank you, and we'll see you next time on another Tech Tuesday.